Welcome to our video on JavaScript classes. In this tutorial, we'll cover the basics of object-oriented programming in JavaScript. But first, let's talk about what a class is. So, why do we need classes? Let's explore some scenarios where classes are useful. Now that we know why classes are useful, let's learn how to create one. In ES6+, we can use the class keyword to define a class. In a class, the constructor method is used to initialize objects. It's called when an object is created. Now that we have our class, let's add some methods. A method is a function attached to an object. Inheritance is the process of creating a new class based on an existing one. This promotes code reuse and modularity. Let's create an advanced calculator class that extends our basic calculator class. In this section, we'll discuss some common mistakes to avoid when using JavaScript classes. In this tutorial, we covered the basics of JavaScript classes and object-oriented programming. Let's recap the key takeaways. Now that you've learned the basics of JavaScript classes, it's time to put your knowledge into practice. That's it for this tutorial on JavaScript classes. We hope you found it informative and helpful.